All right, greetings punters, Ben here, and welcome to game 909, which is Christine's Star Wars set. We are live. Christine. All right, it's 9:54 a.m. and well, clock says 9:55 and 5 seconds a.m. Alrighty, let's see how many spots. 150, Deej at the end as usual. And Dak in first. So that was 150 spots. Alrighty. Looking good. $150 spots. Alright, 3 dice roll. Alright, 3 and 6 is 9, and 6 is 15. 6 and 6 is 12, and 3 is 15. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, that's 13. That should be 2 from the end. 6 and 6 is 12. 3 is 15. We're on 13. We have 2 more. Here we go. Penultimate. That's 14. So next one is for the win. Good luck, everybody. Alright, there we have it. 15 times. Let's go and see who our winner is. Alrighty, and our winner of Christine's Star Wars books is Quack. Congrats. Alrighty, get in contact with Christine to claim your books. And we are done. Alrighty, thanks for playing, everybody. Catch you next time.